Hello guys, this is Momo Beginner Sewing. Today we are making 2-year baby dress. So stay tuned and watch this tutorial. You're watching Momo Beginner Sewings. For further tutorials, please subscribe to us and also ring this bell for further notification in your mailbox. So guys, this is my fabric which I laid down in a 4-fold, and you can see this is my total fabric which has different from the one end. So I'm just skipping it out with 8 inch of height. Okay, make sure it is 8 inch in height. Now you can see that this is my total width. Now I'm going to measure it for you. It is 30 inch in total width. Okay, so in double fold it's total in 60 inch. If you have different fabric, you can use that one as well. Okay, now I am laying down my fabric again on 2-fold. Okay, similarly you have fold your any fabric for dress, for the frock or the dress. Okay, I've just laid down. Now I'm going to tell you the measurement. It is 11 inch in width, length is 17 inch. Our shoulder, or you can say the upper part, is in 10 inch. Just I made the chalk mark over here. And 3 inch is height for the armhole. Okay, just make the little curve, make the armhole. This is a pillowcase dress pattern. You can download this pattern from mydresscraft.com as well. I have a 1 inch height as I have marked on the other side, and just make the connection up to the armhole. And now I'm cutting it. You can see just little bit diagonal. So this is similarly a pillowcase dress. This is my front and back. This is my the front design, and this is the bias tape. You can use the contrast one like a black and white as well. So let us start with the sewing process. Now firstly, for the neck part, the designer part, just sew its side, and I'm using this lace, very nice lace, which has a zigzag look from the back side. So I'm just going to deploy it at the front, at the bottom of that. You can see this is the final piece which come ups. This is kind of gather fabric. Okay, so now this is my front bodice and back bodice. I'm going to lay down on each other and sew their sides, and after that attach the bias tape on the armhole. Okay, now my armhole and sewing part, the sew sides is done. Now I'm going to set up the gathers on my upper part of the neck, on the neck. Okay, so just make the cut on the two side and try to settle down on their front side of the bodice and on the back side. I'm going to demonstrate you while I'm sewing over here. Okay, so you can see that I've matched both the notches. Start from the notch you're sewing, and now on the bodice part give 2 inch of small gathers on one side, and similarly this process goes on the other side of the notch. The first side is done. Now the second side, measure the frill part, and now start with the second part of the notch side and give small gathers of 2 inch on the bodice. You can see this is my front bodice part or the back bodice, whatever, because both are going to same way. I'm going to measure it for you so you guys the total width of the bodice 16 inch. Okay, this is after completion, it is 16 inch, and the front and the back side should be same size. Now you can see that my both front and bodice are attached with the my ruffle. Make the notch so it will very clear for you as well. Now we are going to work on the casing. Now start working. You can see that how you are going to work on, and try to give the space over here for the putting the elastic in it. As you can see, our casing is ready. Now we are going to put our elastic in it by the help of safety pin and putting it from the gap we have left. Now this is how much elastic we needed over here. On fold it is 10 inch, so in total we need 20 inch of elastic, and we will after putting it in, we will later on settle down it. If it is extra, then we will just cut it out the extra part. You can see I've done with my elastic input. Now I'm going to settle down the elastic in the casing so a baby couldn't feel the much stress on the her neck. Now settle down the elastic and casing. After doing that, it will look like that. Okay, this very nice, easy. Just after settling in down, sew the elastic first and then fill the gap with the one stitch or one sew. Okay, this is easy part for you. This is our armhole, and it should be this much in wider, so baby couldn't have any issues in wearing it, nor feels discomfort. Our top part is almost ready. Now we just need to do our bottom fold by just folding it, or you can just apply some lace on it, but I'm just double folding it. Okay, so this is the done part, guys. This is a very nicely print dress, the summer dress, which comes up from the pillowcase pattern, and I'm going to deploy this nice flower over here. So this is the wrap up, guys. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to our channel,
share this
and
video
stay tuned
well.
and
See you soon.
Tell us what you want to learn. Thank you so much.